Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your place and spending a quality time with your near and dear ones, with your parents. But you need to stay safe, you need to stay at home. Next, you have to study as well because, as we all know, that our new session is started today onwards. Okay, so let's introduce with the first chapter of geography without wasting the time. That is resources. Okay, first of all, before starting the next, we need to know the meaning of the resources. What are resources? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Okay, for example, when we are thirsty, we drink water. When we need light in our house, we use electricity. Right, we have to go somewhere, we hire rickshaw or we take the help of a car or scooter, that is known as resources. Okay, when we have to study something, we always need textbooks or the books or the notebooks. So these all are known as resources. So whatever you have with you, the thing or the object which is able to satisfy your need, that is known as resources. As I gave you an example of water, electricity, rickshaw, textbooks, books, that all are known as resources. And what does make these all the objects and the things as a resource? That is its utility and usability of these objects and the substances make them resources. In the other words, we can say that a thing become a resource when it has its value. Okay, its use or utility gives it a value. All resources have some value. Okay, I'll give you an example. For example, I'm very hungry. Okay, so what will I do? I will start to find something to eat. Okay, now I did not get anything, but I saw apples in the fridge. Right, now, first of all, I picked up an apple. I ate that. Right. Next, I picked up the next apple also. I ate that also. Fine. Now, when the turn of third apple will come, I will think that should I eat or not? Why? Because when that apple was having its utility, it was a resource for me, because that apple was able to fulfill my requirement. But now I ate two apples, and when I reached at the third apple, the utility of that apple has become less. So what does it mean? The value became less of that apple, but those two apples which I ate first, those two apples were having a high utility for me, high value for me. So that time it was a resource for me. Okay, now if we will talk about the time and technology. So what is the thing which make the object a resource? That is time and technology. Okay, time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. Both are related to the needs of the people. People themselves are the most important resource. Their ideas, their knowledge, inventions, discoveries, they all create resources. Okay, each discovery or invention leads to many others. As I gave you an example.